What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name's Derek and this is my 2019 GT Mustang. Give y'all a little rundown on the car. It's got a MT82 supercharger, 163R throttle body, 72mm pulley, triple bypass heat exchanger, full course of long tubes, catless, double helix X-pipe, active tips. Car currently has a Ben Caliber stage 3 transmission in it, 26 spline, billet, the works. It's got an MGW short throw X-spec shifter, watt box in the dash, control all your two-step, you know, lift, shift. But the reason we have it on the lift, it's got that busted MT82 in her again, boys. So we're gonna pull that thing out, slap a turbo 400 in it. So ride along with us. Appreciate all the views. Let's get this thing going. Figured I'll show a few dyno sheets as well, just to give y'all a rough estimate of what the car puts down. And let's take into mind that this car is still a full stock bottom end car. No billet oil pump gears, nothing. It has never been cracked. And this was on a 79mm pulley. The car is currently on a 72, like I was saying, and it's made 941 at only 7,300 RPMs. This was on the first pulley we ever put on the car, 82. It made 833 at 7,900. Like I said, we don't want to spin the motor too far because it's still stock oil pump gears, but I figured I'd just go ahead and throw that in there as well. So we got the exhaust out from underneath the car. Now we have to go inside, undo a few things at the console, undo the shifter itself inside the car, let the transmission down, get to the very top two bell housing bolts, which are a very pain. You got to have a good swivel to get to them. Undo the starter itself, cut a few zip ties, and she should be ready to drop out. 26 spline billet hardened input shaft. That's a lot to say in one go. There's your stamp of approval. There's your Mantic twin disc billet clutch. The clutch still looks amazing, to be honest with you, but that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I appreciate all the views, appreciate everybody watching. Like I said, on the next video, we're gonna get started installing this M&M shifter for the Turbo 400 install. You wanna check into it if you have a Gen 3 Coyote. But anyways, there again, I appreciate all the views. Thank you everybody for watching. See y'all guys next time.